Artificial intelligence has made it possible for anyone to create unique and compelling images with minimal effort. If you're interested in experimenting with AI-generated images, here's a step-by-step guide on how to generate your first AI-generated image. Step 1. Join the Discord. Go to midjourney.com, select Join the Beta, or go directly to the Midjourney Discord. Before joining the Midjourney Discord server, you must have a Discord login. Step 2. Find a newbie's channel. You can generate images with the Midjourney bot on any server that has invited the bot. Look for instructions on your server on where to use the bot. Step 3. Learn basic command. Interact with the Midjourney bot on Discord using a command. Commands are used to create images, change default settings, monitor user info, and perform other helpful tasks. Step 4. Run your first command. Step 5. Reroll if needed. Click Reroll button to reruns a job. In this case, it would rerun the original prompt, producing a new grid of images. Step 6. Make variations. Click V button to create a variation of the upscaled image and generates a new grid of 4 options. Choose the best variation for you. Step 7. Upscale image. Click U buttons or upscale buttons to upscale an image, generating a larger version of the selected image and adding more details. Step 8. Save your image. Click on the image to open it to full size, and then right-click and choose Save Image. Congratulations, you have just generated your first AI-generated image. In the next video, I will show you how to improve your images.